Hi, welcome to my channel everybody. If you're new to my channel, then I would like to introduce myself. I'm Priyanka and I make videos on beauty, skincare, DIYs, cooking and much more. It would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family and help me grow. In today's video, I will be teaching a very simple technique to do French nails. When we say French nails, we always think of a professional. We all love a good French nail art to be done to our nails, but it feels almost impossible to achieve it on our own. Well, I have got the easiest and the quickest way to achieve French nails on our own. The great news is that they are very much achievable at home with minimal tools. If you like how my nails turned out, then keep on watching. All you need is a nail filer to shape your nails. Then you need a tape. I have these French tips which you can buy online, which makes your work much more easier. Then you need a white nail polish and a clear nail polish. If you like your French tips to be of some other color, like black or pink, you can pick a color of your choice. So let's start. So these are my nails and I need to shape them first. So I'm going to keep the shape pretty simple and I will just go straight across my nail and then on the sides. I like to keep my nails in a square shape with round edges. I find this shape very practical because it lets you do all the work without getting chipped from the top or the sides, unlike the round shape which usually takes more maintenance and it usually gets chipped from the top if you plan to do a lot of kitchen work. I'm just taking my time to shape my nail in the desired length and shape. You guys shape your nails in whichever shape you like. So once I'm satisfied with the shape, I'm going to take this French tip which is shaped according to your nail, and I'm going to place it right under the free edge of my nail, and I'm going to make sure that I secure it from the sides. Do not worry if you do not have these French tips with you. A great alternative to this is using a cello tape. A cello tape is going to do an equally good work like these French tips do. These are very easy to make on your own. You are going to need a small piece of tape and start from one corner of your nail. Take your tape and place it on the corner of your nail. Now to secure the tape, you are going to place a finger on it and then bend your tape alongside your free edge. That's it. You will be left with something like this. Now I'm going to take a white nail polish and paint it on the exposed edge of my nail. It would be better if you do a double coat, and while your polish is wet, remove your tape. If you wait for your nail polish to dry, then you will not get a clean finish. Repeat this step on all your nails. Well, if you're enjoying this video so far, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Once all your nails are done, you are going to take a clear nail polish and coat all your nails with it. And your French nails are done without having to go to a professional. Wasn't it easy and fun? This can be a great activity which you girls can do on a sleepover. The end result is beautiful, shiny and glossy nails. Do try this technique and let me know in the comment section below if you liked it. Do not forget to hit the like button if you liked my video. Subscribe to my channel Hearty with Priyanka and become a part of my YouTube family. Share this video with your nail enthusiast friends. I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, bye.